Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hornady reloading equipment is probably one of the most essential investments a serious shooter can make, offering unparalleled control over ammunition quality, consistency, and cost-effectiveness, allowing you to tailor your loads precisely to your firearm and intended purpose, thereby enhancing accuracy and performance far beyond factory offerings and ensuring you're always prepared for any shooting scenario with reliable, custom-made cartridges. Number 5. Hornady Lock and Load Die Bushings and Conversion Kit. Introducing the Lock and Load Die Bushings and Conversion Kit from Hornady. This system is designed to completely transform how you switch between calibers, saving you valuable time. With our Lock and Load technology, you can change dies and begin loading a new caliber in mere seconds. The kit includes 10 die bushings to get you started. Quickly and easily transition from one die to another with just a simple twist. This allows you to maximize your reloading time and efficiency. Experience a positive locking action that holds your dies in perfect alignment. It's compatible with all Hornady reloading presses for seamless integration. Get the most out of your reloading press with the easiest method for caliber changes. Simply twist the die counterclockwise to switch. To use, thread your die into the bushing and insert the assembly into the press. Twist clockwise to lock it in place, then adjust your die as usual. What we like. If you frequently switch between different calibers, these bushings are a game changer. They allow for incredibly fast die changes, saving you valuable time at the reloading bench. For those who value efficiency and versatility in their reloading process, this system is a must-have. What people say. The Hornady Lock and Load Progressive Press is a game changer for reloading efficiency. Its automatic indexing and case ejection system significantly speeds up the reloading process. The quick change die system allows for effortless switching between different calibers. Number 4. Hornady Camlock Trimmer 050140. Achieve accurate and consistent case lengths with this unique reloading tool. It precisely restores fired cases to the correct length, regardless of rim thickness. The innovative micro-adjust cutter allows for precise 0.001-inch adjustments without moving the case. Its large, replaceable cutting head trims cases up to 50 caliber with ease. Experience high precision and tough durability with this reloading system. The lever securely locks the case, ensuring clean feeding onto the cutter pilot for perfect trims measured from the case head. This brass case trimmer comes equipped with 7 of the most popular pilot sizes, including 22, 6mm, 270, 7mm, 30, 38, and 45 caliber. Easily affix this tool to your workbench using the 4 screw holes. For optimal performance, use only compatible shell holders with the Camlock trimmer. What we like. For reloaders who demand absolute precision in case length, this trimmer is the ideal solution. Its micro-adjust cutter ensures consistent results, and the ability to trim cases up to 50 caliber makes it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for accuracy and a wide range of compatibility for your case preparation, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Hornady Lock and Load AP press is a workhorse, handling high-volume reloading with ease. The auto-indexing feature on the Hornady Lock and Load AP press significantly speeds up the reloading process. The quick change die bushings on the Hornady Lock and Load AP press make switching calibers fast and efficient. Number 3. Hornady Custom Grade New Dimension 3 Die Set. Take control of your reloading process with our custom grade dies. These precision tools offer unparalleled accuracy for handloaders. Our crimp seater die provides versatility, offering either a taper or roll crimp depending on your specific caliber needs. Ensure a secure fit for every case. Experience effortless adjustments with the full-length sizer die. Its innovative zip spindle design eliminates slippage and ensures secure locking for precise sizing. Achieve superior bullet seating and accuracy with the seating die. Its floating alignment sleeve and stem pre-align bullets and cases for a perfect fit every time. These dies are engineered for a precise match to your chamber, ensuring accurate reloading. Keep a set for each caliber at your bench for ultimate convenience. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: a full-length sizer die, seating die, storage box, Sherlock rings, and specialized pins. Get started with precision reloading today. What we like. If you prioritize accuracy and control for a specific caliber, these custom-grade dies are an excellent choice. The floating bullet alignment sleeve ensures precise seating, leading to more consistent and accurate reloads. For handloaders who want to fine-tune their loads for a particular cartridge, these dies offer superior performance. What people say. The Hornady Lock and Load AP press is a workhorse, consistently delivering accurate reloads. The auto-indexing feature on the Hornady Lock and Load AP press simplifies the reloading process significantly, saving time and effort. Hornady's quick change die system on the Lock and Load AP press allows for rapid caliber changes, making it versatile for different ammunition types. Number 2. Hornady Auto Charge Pro Powder Measure. Introducing the Hornady Auto Charge Pro. This innovative device offers precise and customizable powder dispensing, making your hand loading process straightforward and efficient. Achieve accuracy to within 0.1 grain with its customizable trickle speeds, tailored for different powder types. You can even store settings for up to 4 custom loads. Its backlit touchscreen is easy to read, and a large knob simplifies powder emptying. A built-in bubble level ensures perfect setup. Designed with a small footprint, it takes up less space on your bench. Enjoy quick and easy calibration with this precision instrument. This tool is perfect for those who value accuracy and efficiency in their reloading. Please remember, it is designed for smokeless powder only. Hand loading can be fun, economical, and yield maximum accuracy with the right equipment. Hornady provides everything you need, including this advanced powder dispenser. What we like. For those seeking the utmost precision in powder measurement, this Auto Charge Pro is indispensable. Its accuracy to 0.1 grain and customizable trickle speeds cater to various powder types and reloading preferences. If you value speed, accuracy, and a user-friendly interface for powder dispensing, this unit will streamline your reloading process. What people say. The Hornady Lock and Load AP press is a workhorse, handling progressive reloading with ease. The auto-ejector on the Hornady LNL AP works flawlessly, ensuring each case is ejected reliably. Hornady's quick change dice system makes switching calibers on the Lock and Load AP incredibly fast and efficient. Number 1. Hornady Lock and Load Iron Press Reloading Kit 085521. Introducing the Hornady Lock and Load Iron Press Reloading Kit. It's designed to offer rugged reliability for years of precision reloading. Experience the heaviest and most rigid press in its class, thanks to its fully ambidextrous, cast iron frame. This design allows for unique reloading steps like depriming and priming in a single sequence. Boost your reloading speed with the gravity-fed automatic priming system and the accessory mounting deck. These features allow multiple processes to happen at once, saving you valuable time. Keep your essential reloading items within easy reach. The accessory mounting deck provides quick access to trays, tools, and brushes, making your workflow smoother. This ultimate kit includes over 20 essential tools and accessories. You'll have everything you need for years of precise and efficient reloading right out of the box. The Lock and Load Iron Press redefines reloading. Its innovative design and included accessories make achieving precision easier than ever before. What we like. If you're looking for a robust and reliable reloading press that can handle a wide range of tasks, this kit is a fantastic option. Its heavy-duty construction and ambidextrous design offer durability and ease of use for any reloader. For those who want an all-in-one solution with numerous included accessories for a comprehensive reloading experience, this press kit is hard to beat. What people say. The Hornady Lock and Load AP press is a workhorse, handling progressive reloading with ease. The auto-indexing feature on the Hornady Lock and Load AP press ensures consistent case rotation for efficient reloading. Hornady's quick change die system on the Lock and Load AP press allows for rapid caliber changes, saving valuable time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.